as we've called out before, functions are powerful because you can create your own. You can use them to organize the code in your scripts into logical blocks, which makes the code you write easier to use and reuse. Check out this example. This script uses the len function, which returns the length of a string. In this example, the script then uses that length to calculate a number, which we're calling the lucky number here. And finally, it prints a message with the name and the number. Each time we want to perform the calculation, we change the values of the variables and write the formula, then print a greeting followed by the lucky number. See how there are exactly 2 lines that are the same in the first and second part of the code? When you find code duplication in your scripts, it's a good idea to check if you can clean things up a bit by using a function. How about we rewrite this code, creating a function to group all the duplicated code into just 1 line? The updated script gives us the exact same result as the original one, but it looks a lot cleaner. First, we've defined a function called luckyNumber, which carries out our calculation and prints it for us. Then we call the function twice, once with each name. Since we've grouped the calculation and print statements into a function, our code is not only easier to read, but it's also now reusable. We can execute the code inside the luckyNumber function as many times as we need it by just calling it with a different name. So we don't have to write it out and again for each new name. Does that make sense? Hopefully these examples have helped explain how functions are used and defined, and also demonstrated how useful they can be. Did you notice that we're feeding information into our functions through their parameters? This is one of the many ways that we can input data into our code. The values for those parameters may come from different places, like a file on our computer or through a form on a website, but that doesn't impact our code. The result of the function is still the same no matter where the parameters come from. Functions are your friends. They can help clean up your code and do math so you don't have to. You'll be using them a lot, both in this course and in your programming life. So get ready to get real friendly with functions.